In this video, we're going to have a look at finding the perimeter of a semicircle. Now, the perimeter is made up of two parts. We've got the curved edge and the straight edge. So we need to calculate the curved edge first. Now, you'll notice a semicircle is half of a circle. So the first thing we're going to think about is how do we calculate the circumference of a circle? Now, the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, so 2 times pi times the radius, or pi times the diameter. Now, because we're working out the arc of a semicircle, we're going to half the value of the circumference of the circle. So let's start with the circumference of the circle, which I'm going to call CC. So I'm going to use the pi times diameter formula because in the question, I have the whole diameter, it's the whole length across. So I'm going to do pi times 9. Now I can either write this as 9 pi, or I can write the answer as a decimal, which would be 28.274. And it's a very long decimal, so I've used ... to show this. Now, to get the arc length of the semicircle, we're going to divide this value by 2 because our semicircle is half of a circle. So 9 pi divided by 2 is either 9 over 2 pi or 14.137 ... as a decimal. So now I've got my arc length, I can actually calculate the perimeter of my shape. So to get the perimeter of my shape, I'm going to add my arc length to my straight edge, and the straight edge is equal to 9 centimetres. Now there's a few ways I could present my answer for this. So I could either leave my answer exact, so that means leaving things in terms of pi, so 9 over 2 pi plus 9, that would be my final exact answer. Or I could pop this into my calculator to get a decimal. So this is going to give me 23.137, which I can round to one decimal place to give me 23.1. And the units for this are centimetres because we're talking about a length.